Hello and welcome to a quick step-by-step tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to contact Bzzworld Travel. There are many methods that you can use to contact us. Let's see them together. The easiest and quickest way to connect with us is through the live chat box. Go ahead and visit www.bzzworldtravel.com. Notice the orange chat icon on the middle right side of the screen. Click the icon to open a box that will allow you to chat with one of our agents. Over here you can also upload a file, or even a picture if necessary. If you need, you can send the transcript of the chat to your email once you have finished. And, why not, rate our support team. If you like to send us an email, please use the email form on our Contact Us page. Just fill in the fields with your name, email, phone number, your message and finally click send. You will receive an instant on-screen message confirming that your message was successfully sent. Our representative will reply you at soonest time. Log in into Bzzworld Travel Booking System. Once in there, click the link My Dashboard. Click the Contact Us link at your left. Here you can have a look at the most frequent asked questions. If you don't find what you were looking for, click on the I was not able to find the answer to my question tab. Then, when this expands, you will see a member guide link. Click it for more frequent asked questions. If you want to leave us a quick message, click here. A form will pop up for you to write a message and send to us. You can also click the messages link at your left and send us an email from My Dashboard. To contact us, please click the link, Compose Message. And fill the mail form with the subject and your message. Then press send. You can view previous messages sent by clicking View All Conversation. If you like, you are welcome to drop us an email directly to support@bzzworldtravel.com. Do you prefer to speak to humans? Call our Malaysia customer service at +60 3278 79198. Please be reminded, international call charges apply. Finally, you can also contact us via our Facebook page. To do so, please head on to our Facebook page at www.facebook.com/bzzworldtravelofficial and click on the Send Message button. This completes today's quick tutorial. You can now easily contact us in any way you would like the best. Have a wonderful journey with Bzzworld Travel.